The law of attraction states that like attracts like, but I never thought it would go this far. This is a drop of my blood, and surprisingly, McCormick red food coloring looks exactly the same as a drop of blood. So, it's attracted to it? What? Today I'm going to show you why food coloring is not only attracted to my blood, but it's attracted to food. And when you put a bunch of drops of food coloring together, they sense each other, move, and react as if alive, locked in a continual dance of attraction and escape. This is a video about the mystery of attractive liquids. When you take 2 drops of food coloring and put them on a clean glass slide that you've burned off any organics in a flame, they'll move toward each other. This happens because food coloring is mostly made of propylene glycol and a little water. Near the edges of the drop, you get higher evaporation rates than at the center. And because water evaporates hundreds of times faster than propylene glycol, that means that the edges of the drop have higher concentrations than the center. And since water has a higher surface tension than propylene glycol, it pulls the propylene glycol up into the center. So when the evaporation of water is uniform around the edges, the drop just sits there. But now if you take 2 drops and put them close by each other, the water from each of the drops starts to evaporate. But notice how in the middle of the 2 drops, the evaporated water builds up more. So there's a higher relative humidity in between the drops than on the other side of the drops. Water doesn't evaporate as fast when there's a higher humidity in the air. So that means on the outside of the drop, there's a higher concentration of propylene glycol due to the faster evaporation of water on that side. So the surface tension gradient is no longer uniform, and the flow goes from low surface tension to high surface tension. So that means each drop flows toward the other. This is amazing. They're literally following the vapor trail of each other. They sniff out the water vapor in the air. So that means if I just put something that has water on it, the propylene glycol drop can sniff it out and find where it is and follow it. It's like the drop is attracted to anything with water on it, even my finger. Now you can understand that there was nothing special about it being attracted to my blood or the apple. It was just that both of them had water in it.